Hey there. What we're going to do today is we're going to do the same as we did the other day, and we're going to add one more step. So we're going to add the distributive property. So if you notice on the left-hand side of the equation, you have a number with parentheses. And whenever you see parentheses, you know you're going to have to distribute that number. So it goes into the parentheses. And you multiply. So negative 2 times 6f is negative 12f. Negative 2 times 3 is minus 6, and then you just bring down the other side. Just like yesterday, you pick the smallest of the two numbers, so here you have negative 12f, and so we're going to move it by using its inverse operation. So since it's subtraction, you're going to add, and you're left with negative 6 is equal to 20f plus 31. And then you're going to move the 31 because we have to get our f to stand alone, so we're moving the constant. Here you have negative 37 is equal to 20f. These are not pretty numbers, I apologize, but decimals are numbers as well. And then you would divide by 20, and you're going to get negative 1.85. So remember, you are allowed to have a negative number as an answer and a decimal. Okay, so don't be scared if you get a decimal as an answer. Here are some more. So again, you're going to distribute. So you have 9x minus 45. Pick the smaller variable to move. So now you have 6x minus 45 is equal to 6. So let's add 45. So you have 6x is equal to 51, which again you're going to get a decimal. So again, that's okay. When you divide by 6, x is 8.5. Decimals are okay. Distribute. So you have 4b minus 24. Is equal to 5b plus 15. Move your smaller of the two variables, which is the 4. So you have negative 24 is equal to 1b plus 15. Subtract 15, and you get b is equal to negative 39, and that's your answer. So again, you can have whole numbers, you can have decimals. It does not matter. So again, I want you to pause and solve problem number 3. Once you finish, go ahead and turn back on the computer. So if you noticed in number 3, there's no parentheses, but you do have like terms on the left-hand side. So if you were to add those together, you're going to get negative 6k minus 2 is equal to 6k plus 6. Which is the smaller, negative 6 or 6? And it's negative 6, so let's go ahead and add 6 to both sides. And you get negative 2 is equal to 12k plus 6. Subtract 6. And you get negative 8 is equal to 12k. This one's going to be a small decimal. So you're going to divide by 12. And then you're going to get negative 0.6 repeating for your answer. So go ahead, try the in-class practice, and then raise your hand to have it checked.